Okay. All right. So now we're going to be doing the next three problems of your homework. Um, Sorry, hold on. Okay. The first question is similar to number 23 on page 386, and it asks you to find the measure of each interior angle of a regular 25-gon. I'm not going to draw a 25-gon. That's the point of this question, is that you can do it without the picture. So you know that if it's a 25-gon, it has 25 sides. So if we subtract 2, we see that it has 23 triangles. Okay? If there's 23 triangles and each of those triangles has 180 degrees, that means that this 25-gon has 4,140 degrees in its possession. They want us to calculate each interior angle. And the only way that this problem works is by this word regular right here. Remember that regular means all the sides and all the angles are the same. If all the angles were not the same, you wouldn't be able to find the answer to this question, because you would have no idea which angle was bigger and which angle was smaller and how much bigger and how much smaller. But they're all exactly the same angle, and so that's how we can do it. So I'm going to take this total number of degrees that we have, and I'm just going to divide it by the number of angles that it's being split up into. And in this case, it's being split into 25 angles. So 4140 divided by 25 is 165.6 degrees. And that would be the size of each individual angle. And if you wanted to see how that works, 165.6 times, times 25, pretend that's lined up, would give you 4140, and that would work out to give you the right answer. So you know you did it right. Okay, the next one is very similar, except it's one less step. It says find the sum of the interior angle measures of a convex dodecagon. Notice that it doesn't say it's regular, and that's why we can't take this problem any further. You can find what all the angles measure or add up to, but you can't find what each individual angle is because you have no idea how they're related to each other. So a dodecagon has 12 sides. That means it has 10 triangles. Each triangle has 180 degrees, so that means it's a total of 1800 degrees. That's your answer. That's all you have to do for that problem. Okay, and then the third problem is also very similar, and it says find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular hendecagon. So hendecagon means it has 11 sides. And if you recall from the video that I showed you in class where all of the exterior angles got closer and closer together, you saw that they make a circle. So if you take all of the exterior angles of any convex polygon, it doesn't matter what kind it is, what size, whether it's regular or not, as long as it's convex, if you stick them all together, you'll get a circle. That means that all of the exterior angles add up to 360 degrees. Always, no matter what. So if this figure has 11 sides and they want to know what each one is, it's just going to be 360 divided by 11, which would be 32.73 if I'm rounding. So each angle on the outside of that hendecagon would be 32.73 degrees. And I can't draw a hendecagon because I'm not that talented, but if I were to draw a regular pentagon, that would be the exterior angle. That's what it's referring to. And again, this problem works because it's regular. If it were not regular, you would know that they all add up to 360, but you wouldn't know how big each individual angle is because some of them could be bigger, some of them could be smaller. It's all kind of, you're not really sure.